market, because it's like you never see these kind of things in tuition classes. Yes. Okay, what basically we observe nowadays that a tutor can teach you some chapters or something like that, and we are done here.
Yes.
Right? But before coming to the classes, you started updating us.
Yes.
On with respect to blogs, with respect to YouTube, and what is current market, and sometime at some extent you try to help us out by telling that these are the shares which can go up,
yes,
which can go down. So be careful in that area.
Yes.
So and most of the time from morning 7-8 till midnight 11-12, you are helping us with respect to blogs and all this. These all are the things which makes these tuition classes unique.
Yes.
And these all are things when I consolidate all these things, it's like I feel to rate it as 5. Yeah. Not only because that I'm part of this tuition classes and it's like I'm a student, I'm rating you 5, but I personally and genuinely observe that whether you deserve 5 or not. Not only with respect to this part of teaching, apart from that, a lot of quality which I found in you, which make you unique, and I am humble. My humble request to every other individual who are intent to come into this field and to understand and to learn about the share market. A lot of people may think that we know a lot of things by googling all this and that, but there are a lot of things.
Hi, I'm Priyanka, and I'm coming from Mumbai for this class.
Okay.
You can see that for this class because I have time and I'll join this session.
Yeah.
And thoroughly, I knew something about market and all, but thoroughly after this class I can say I didn't know anything about the share market, because the few sir, abhi I can say ki I can do the intraday, the weekly and the investment, and I can suggest anyone for you. Thank you so much for this. And
यस, मेरा वो सभी डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए और मैं जो मैं बोलूँगा 200% में अभी कॉन्फिडेंस हूँ और मैं कर सकता हूँ. इवन मैंने 2-3 ट्रेड भी किए जिसमें मैं प्रॉफिटेबल हूँ, और पिछले मैंने 8-9 महीने से सर क्लास ज्वाइन होने से पहले मैंने कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं किया था, यानी इसके पहले भी किए थे बट उसमें लॉस थे. तो मैंने बाद में सोचा लास्ट 8 मंथ में कि मैं सीखूंगा और फिर ही करूंगा. तो सीखने के दौरान मैंने जो आपने बताया था वो हिसाब से मैंने फॉलो किया, तो मुझे 2 ट्रेड में प्रॉफिट भी हुए और 1-2 इसमें मैंने पोजीशन में बनाया.
तो ये जो आपका जर्नी था, जो डिस्टेंस ऐसा आपको थोड़ा सा है वो इंचोर से अप्रोच करता है.
सर अगर आपको इतना अच्छा नॉलेज मिल रहा है तो डिस्टेंस मैटर नहीं करता ना.
यस.
आपको इतना लाख रुपए का नॉलेज, इतना बड़ा नॉलेज मिल रहा है तो फिर वो डिस्टेंस डजंट मैटर.